So day 3 of assembling your travel journal kit. We've got pencils, we've got a pencil sharpener. Now it's an eraser. I use these Staedtler Mars plastic erasers. They're cheap. And to be honest, I cut it in half and take it with me. There's no way out on any kind of trip you're going to need that much eraser with you. So just take those, cut them in half. There's in fact the one that I use in my travel journal kit. And I've had that for a couple of years now, I guess. So again, really lightweight. Take it. There it is. There's your eraser, pencil sharpener, eraser. You're well on your way to your own travel journal kit. So show me how you're assembling this, and here we go. You're gonna love having this all ready, and it'll take a barrier away from doing your travel journal, doing little sketches, little watercolor vignettes, and get you well on your way to that legacy travel journal. So watch for the next day. Here we come.